So, you got a dream, but you don't have the place or the resources to make your dreams come true? Well, then welcome to Riga's own studio, Riga Studio. And let me tell you why. So, if you're a videographer, if you're a photographer, if you're a beginner, or even if you're a professional, you know what? We got it covered for you. So, from the place to the space to even all equipment that you need for your basic talent to grow, like camera, lenses, tripod, lights, and even green screen, you got it all over here. So you know what? Now you don't have to spend a lot to make your own studio. So, even if you're a company, a corporate, an individual entrepreneur, you have your own team, you want to meet your clients, or even if you want to have your own conference, you know what? We got all that covered for you. And not only that, even if you want to make your own online content, or even webinars or live streaming, we even have that whole setup for you over here.
And by the way, guys, here in Riga Studio there's plenty of room and equipment. The location is also good, so next meeting we are doing also here. Just to tell you more about this place, many people come here for different activities, from even fitness and yoga and different dancing classes. I will be streaming the webinars from here. But I'm telling you this because we will also have a corporate party in this place. What do you think about it? Yeah? But don't forget about the webinars. I'm trying really hard. And for this webinar, I didn't have to do almost anything. The whole setup was already here. And they even have a social media room.
Hey guys, I found this amazing place in the center of the Riga where I can film my social media videos with equipment, green screen, hundreds of lights and even camera. I came here unprepared, but they got an incredible makeup room which is so professional that I will recommend it to my friend. I will recommend it to any makeup artist and stylist. Also, I'm moving on to the streaming. This place is perfect because of the hundreds of setup things. Ooh, my auntie asked me where she can teach video lessons. I think I found the place. This is Riga Studio.
Sveiki! Tev ir sapņi un idejas. Meklē resursus to realizācijai. Hei, vai esi dzirdējis par Riga Studio pašā Rīgas centrā? Tā ir vieta, kur piepildās tavi sapņi un idejas. Riga Studio var kļūt par tavu darba un atpūtas vietu. Iesāc rītu ar jogu vai fitnesa nodarbību, izmanto sniedz stilista pakalpojumus, noved konferences, semināru, webināru. Šeit tev gaida video un fotoaparatūra tavu sapņu iedzīvināšanai. Un pēc darbīgas dienas Riga Studio tu vari apgūt jaunus dejas soļus, kurus iemēģināt ballītē kopā ar kolēģiem, konferences dalībniekiem un citiem progresīviem cilvēkiem. Riga Studio jau gaida tevi!
Recently, I found Riga Studio, new stylish place in the city center. I love that here I can arrange my private meetings, corporate meetings, and even special events.
Even you can do yoga, stretching, or fitness classes. Yeah, come on, girls. Not only that, you even have dance classes over here. And let me tell you something more. Every week, social dancing party. Come on, girls, I told you, like not only energy but also sensual. So one more time. Party. Yes, so let's show them. Woohoo.